Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is gonna be my first coding video. Sorry, there's gonna be lots of lag in this. And so when you do first hop into Roblox Studio, it's gonna look really intimidating. It's gonna look like this. This is what it's gonna look like at first. You're really confused. You don't know what to do. I'm gonna teach you what to do. Just a couple main things you're supposed to use. So before we start, the most important thing you have to do is click explore. This is the main thing you're gonna use for your code and stuff. Then also going to want to use this output, not command, this output thingy. So yeah. So to start, the agenda for this video is I'm gonna teach you about the 4 main types of Roblox code, pretty much. So right here, print. I'm gonna talk about that right now. So the first type is called strings. Strings is just words. So if I type in song, this is a string. The string alone can't do anything. If I press play, the output area won't really say anything. It's gonna give you an error. See? It doesn't know what that means. If you wanna actually type it in, you're gonna have to put you're gonna have to put print, and this is very important. You have to put your quotation marks and put in the song. If you do not put in quotation marks, this is what's gonna happen. No, it just doesn't even know. It doesn't know. It's not number. It's not anything. But once you add in those quotation marks, it'll type in song, because it knows what it is. It knows it's a string. This print function right here, all it does is it just types in whatever this is inside of here. Remember, you don't actually put this in your games. This is not, you can't actually see this in a real game. You can't just look for output. So yeah, you're gonna have to use GUI and stuff. That would be much later on. Don't worry about that. So next type we have are numbers, integers. You guys should know what integers are. They're just numbers. Simple, 1, 2, 3. Again, same with the strings. You have to put them in this print function, but you don't have to put this. You can just put in 1, 2, 3, and it'll know what it is. You can also put in the quotation marks if you really want to, if you're feeling weird. So numbers, super cool, you know. And you can also do this, 50 minus 21. Let's just say that. It'll type in the answer for you right here. Again, this print function, it prints whatever it's in here. So 50 minus 21. This is both in like a function or whatever. 50 minus 21. Let's do plus 56. You know, let's just try that. 85 gives you the answer. So whatever is in here gives you the answer for that. Now the next one you're gonna look at Boolean. Floats is just decimals. That's it. Boolean. Boolean is true or false. That is the worst spelling. So Booleans are just true or false. Pretty simple. So let me give you an example using if statements. If 2 equals 2, you don't have to put this double equal sign. This is just because this is used later on in coding you don't have to worry about that. But I normally use this. You can use this if you're comfortable with that. So if to then let's just say print 2 plus 2 is in fact 2. And so it should, yes, it should put in 2 plus 2 is in fact 2, because I'm pretty sure 2 plus 2 is 2. I'm not sure about that. Whatever. So this is what Boolean is. Simple representation. Then these tables, I can talk about them a bit later. But variables. Variables are super important. You're gonna use this all the time. So let's say, yeah, I was about to do that. Wow, it's crazy. So you're just gonna, you don't have to put this local. I'm gonna remove this local right here. So my name equals, my name is Eric, so I'm gonna put my name equals Eric. My name equals Eric. So now you're gonna print my name. My name is this. You don't have to put the little quotation marks. If you put the quotation marks, it's literally just gonna put my name. So my name equals Eric. So what this will do is Eric. We'll print Eric. This is also really cool. I mean, this is really cool. Variables are they're just super important. The ones you're gonna be using the most, variables will be number 1. So I'm gonna put this as number 1. Number 1. You're gonna be using integers number 2 and booleans number 3 and strings number 4. Yeah, and that's pretty much like the tier list of what you're probably gonna be using this for. And for your project, it's gonna be make me anything, literally anything, using at least one of these examples that I showed you. So example, let's say my name is Eric, my age is 15. Okay, my age is 15. So let's just say my print my age, my name, and let's just say my age minus 4 I'm gonna do that, and 11 Eric. So pretty simple, what I'm saying. So do something like that. If you're feeling advanced, you can use all. The challenge is gonna be all. So let me actually keep that. And this is an example, so don't copy this, and go on ahead and good luck. Bye.